Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with back-to-back reviews. This first one I'm gonna do is a deal that I picked up on Amazon. So shout out to the homie Fat Kid Deals. If you don't follow him on Twitter, you should. He posts a lot of deals on different items. So I want to buy this and check it out. It is a Soundbar. I can't remember how much the regular price was. I think maybe $100 or something like that. But I paid $23 for it. So shout out to the homie for a good deal on Amazon, because I do have Amazon Prime account. So I'm gonna definitely check this out, man, and see what it sound like and what it do. So we'll check that. This next review, well, matter of fact, I'm sitting here just showing you the box. But take it out so y'all can see it a little bit. So as you can see, it comes with auxiliary cord and a USB cable. So, we'll definitely check that out. It's wireless and wired. So you can either do a Bluetooth wireless or you can connect wires to it and make it work. So that was a pretty good pickup. This next pickup I have right here is a raffle win. I won the raffle from Lapstone and Hammer. This shoe is everywhere. And it's actually still on some sites in a few colors. And almost everybody and their mom has done a review on it. I'm just doing mine today because I just got the shoe in today. And here we go. This is actually my first time winning a raffle from Lapstone and Hammer. I've done several on there. So shout out to them. As you can see, they sent the sticker Lapstone and Hammer. So we got that. Then they gave me a Lapstone and Hammer coupon of 15% off the next purchase. So what I'm gonna do for y'all is I'm going to give you this code, and whoever sees it first and uses it first, have fun. But here it is, if you can see it right here, that's the code. So if you see that, have fun. Merry Christmas. Don't say I ain't never give you nothing. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. Then here is the receipt, the invoice. So here we go. I honestly thought I struck out everywhere on this shoe, and I was like, well, shit, maybe I hit online or something. And they flew pretty quick online. This is a big box than usual, but as you can see, you know what it is when you see the 700. I haven't seen this shoe in person yet, so of course, you know the colors is mauve or mauve. I'm gonna say mauve. I think I saw Seth Fowler say it was mauve, so that's what we're gonna go with. And I think what he said is mauve is more of a like a dark purple or some type of purple color, but these are not purple. But here we are, the Yeezy 700 mauve. Yeah, it's pretty nice. This suede nubuck material at the toe, it has that kind of that worn look, so it kind of like it's been worn or something like that, gives you that tough look. So this year has been the wave for bulky dad shoes, but then as you can see here on the side, it has that highlighter. I wouldn't even say volt, it might be a volt, kind of like a voltage color. Then it has the gum bottom on this shoe. Retail is $300. Shoe is pretty cool though, actually. Ye is fake woke now or whatever. I don't even want to talk about that. But yeah, so on the inside it says Yeezy. If you guys can see that, on the heel of it, it has the Adidas branding at the bottom of the shoe. Today I've gotten some Adidas unboxings, pretty much. But yeah, overall dope shoe, man. I'm gonna try it out. I probably will have to sell it maybe and get a size 14, because I had the original, the first 700, and I wear a 13, but for some reason it just fits tight. And a lot of people say true to size, but that's not true. This shoe hurts my feet in a size 13. I definitely would have to go a 14 or take the insole out or wear a church sock, something. But it's not true to size. For me, it's not. None of the Yeezys have been. The version 1s fit perfect. I mean, hell, I could get a 12 and fit. And I'm a true 13. I go 13, 14, but I could even wear almost a 12. in the version 1 of the Yeezy Boost 350, but the version 2s are so narrow and they hurt. I have to go 14. I don't know why they changed it, but they made it so narrow, and you damn near get bunions trying to wear those shoes. But overall, man, this is a dope shoe. If you like the review, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the page. I'm working on a project. I can't tell you guys what it is right now, but I'm working on a real dope project. I just got to get with the right people and put the pieces together, and I think it'll be pretty dope for you guys to see. And I can't say when it's coming because it's going to be a while. But just letting you guys know that I'm working on a special project involving sneakers. So that's that. So until this next release that I'm about to do, you guys be cool.